Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel ERPZEN. In today's video, we are going to see how we are going to enter multiple journals in Oracle Fusion by using ADFDI Spreadsheet. Click on Navigator, click on General Accounting, click on Generals, click on Task List or Task Pane, click on Create General in Spreadsheet to download the spreadsheet. Now here, the spreadsheet is downloaded. Click on Enable Editing. Yes, click on Yes. Give your login credentials. Hit sign in. Now give the journal name. Okay, enter multiple journals. Now enter the journal batch name. My journal batch name is ERPZEN. Expenses for the month of December 20. General. Stationery expenses. Stationery expenses. The month of December 2017. Select our primary ledger. Accounting date is 01/1/2017. Category is, I'll take adjustment as a category. You cannot change the source from here. Category, I'll take it as adjustment. Click on OK. Now enter the code combination. Click on search. Search for stationery expenses. Hit search. Select the account code combination and hit OK. Hit OK. Now, currency, say USD. Double click on it. Search for US dollar. Hit search. Select US dollar and hit OK button. Now this is $3,000. Now enter the credit line. I'll go with the same batch. expenses, same description, stationary expenses, stationary expenses. Select our primary ledger from the LOB, same accounting date, category as adjustment. Now your cash account. Give cash account, cash, hit search, select the accounting code combination, hit OK button, hit OK button. Now enter the credit amount. USD, hit OK button. Now enter the credit amount, $3,000. Same for general expenses. Expenses of this time, general expenses. General expenses are the amount of Excel was 17. On the drop down, select our primary ledger and take the accounting date. And source we cannot change from spreadsheet. Take the category as adjustment. Now select the code combination. Now we'll go with the general expenses. Click on search. Search for general expenses. Search. Select the record and hit OK button. Click search. Select the accounting stream and hit OK button. Hit OK. Now select the currency as USD. Now I'll go with 2000. Now enter the credit line. Select our primary ledger. Select the date. Select the category. Now I'll give cash account. Double click on the company value, column M. Click on this magnifier icon. Search. Now search for cash account. Hit search. Select the accounting code combination and hit OK. Hit OK. Yeah. Now I want to create another batch where we need 700 expenses for the month. General expenses, general expenses, 1. Select our primary ledger, ERPZEN primary ledger. Select the accounting date. Select the category as adjustment. View the accounting code combination. Hit search. View general expense. Hit search. Select the accounting code combination and hit OK button. And hit OK button. Now take cash account. Double click on it. Pop-up will open. Hit search button. Now take cash account. Hit search. Select the accounting code combination and hit OK button. Hit OK button. Enter the amounts. Say $4,000. $4,000. Now you see small triangle. It means the row is changed. Now click on submit button. Select import descriptive flex fields as well and click on submit button. Your process has been submitted and the process ID is 11887382. Now go to instance. Now search for that. Go to tools, scheduled process. What is the process ID? 11887382. 11887382. It was succeeded. Import was succeeded and posting is also succeeded. Now go to navigator, click on navigator, click on general accounting, click on generals, click on task list or task pane. Now click on manage generals. Now hit search. Yeah, this is our batch. You can see ERPZEN 001, ERPZEN 002. You'll go and click this batch, ERPZEN 001. And now see, you can see two, two generals in the same batch. General expense adjustments and stationary expense adjustments. And it got pushed automatically. Click on cancel. We'll see another one. ERPZEN 002 spreadsheet. Since we have created only one general, we can see only one general. Click on home. So that's how you can create multiple generals in Oracle Fusion by using the ADFDI spreadsheet. I hope this step-by-step process helps you save time and make general processing uploading much easier. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and don't miss any upcoming Oracle Fusion tutorials. Thank you. Thank you very much.